Wisdom, wisdom, that's the test. Which rival wisdom team is best? 52 teams of 8 antique rival wisdoms compete to do the future a favor and guide a life at stop2think.com. Team quote 30.1. Variety's the very spice of life that gives it all its flavor. William Cowper 1731 to 1800. This delightful quote comes from Cowper's poem, The Task, 1785, and speaks to a fundamental truth about human experience. The metaphor comparing variety to spice is particularly apt because, like spices in cooking, different experiences and perspectives enhance and enrich our lives. Cowper's insight touches on how monotony can dull our appreciation of life, while variety stimulates our minds with new challenges, broadens our perspectives through diverse experiences, keeps us engaged and growing through change, makes us appreciate both the familiar and the novel. It's interesting that Cowper, who struggled with depression throughout his life, recognized the vital role of variety in making life vibrant and meaningful. His metaphor suggests that just as a diet of bland food becomes tiresome, a life without variety loses its savor. The quote endures because it captures something essential about human nature: our need for both stability and novelty, routine and surprise. In modern terms, we might say it speaks to our brain's need for novel stimuli to stay engaged and alert. What kinds of spice do you find add the most flavor to your life?
And to help raise school test scores and confidence with easy extra advantage math, spelling and reading workbooks you can download for free at stop2think.com or buy at educationstopshate.com. Sign up for free weekly emails of 52 teams of antique rival wisdom workbooks at stop2think.com. And if you'd like to get paid for sharing our wearable wisdoms, keep this in mind. Everyone I know wears a shirt, and most of us change them daily, so change your shirt and change the world. Social equalities are blatantly subliminal antique positive wisdoms repetitively shared without saying a word. This applies to all our wearable shareable wisdoms. Like pretty witty baby onesies and pretty witty kids. Youthful truths let your kids gain confidence sharing antique wisdoms with their friends. Imagine them sharing words of wisdom with classmates and teachers. I think therefore I think tees I wear is a super easy way to share words of wisdom. With wearable wisdoms to fit babies, kids and adults. You can clothe a whole family, city or state. So do the future a favor by encouraging, educating and entertaining with words of wisdom make us all wiser and kinder. Join the 52 of 8 today.